You wouldn't know it right away, but this is the longest interstate in North Carolina, hidden by floodwaters from Hurricane Florence.
Well, you know, there was actually a Snopes article because folks didn't believe it was true. You know, we said this is not a river, this is a highway.
Basil Yap heads up the North Carolina Department of Transportation's Unmanned Aerial Systems, or drone, program.
That particular photo and video that went nationwide and got lots of attention was taken from a drone.
One image in particular today got our attention.
Now, that nice, straight, deep river you see there is actually Interstate 40.
You can see it looks more like a river than an interstate.
We saw a boat on I-40 in the picture yesterday.
So that really told a story that we haven't been able to tell in the past. You know, because from the ground it looks one way, really high up from an aircraft or satellite photos it looks definitely different, but this is this really unique view that we're getting about 100 to 200 feet off the ground. And it just illustrated why, you know, why we have these roads closed and why these detours were so important. We didn't want folks driving through that water at all.
And for good reason. In North Carolina, Hurricane Florence has claimed at least 37 lives, and according to the state's governor,
motor vehicle drownings are the leading cause of death from Florence.
North Carolina has a long history with aviation technology. Kitty Hawk, near the state's coast, is where the Wright brothers tested the first successful airplane. NCDOT's UAS program could be seen as an extension of that legacy.
So we can
Unboxing,
yeah. So this is a typical platform that we use during our hurricane response.
There isn't anything really special about this technology. The drones used by the state's Department of Transportation are the same drones any hobbyist can buy with $1,500. But the difference is how these drones are being used.
And so what we're looking for in this particular video is how far is traffic backing up. But this gave us some good information and allowed us in the traffic management unit to make the appropriate decisions on expediting downstream all of those traffic lights and how they moved move folks through this particular detour.
So what does it do to actually be able to observe, this backup of traffic, this like miles long backup of traffic?
We know that by us moving traffic quicker, we're getting bottled water, we're getting diapers, we're getting medical supplies, we're getting all these necessities to Wilmington, which at this point really was cut off due to the flooding.